Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily create a guest account in Windows 11. So what you want to do is when you're going to be in Windows 11, you want to go on the bottom, on the start, right click on it, go to settings. And when you're going to be in settings, you want to click on accounts. And when you're going to be in accounts, you're going to have the family and other users under sign-in options, and then you're gonna have the other users in a second thing, and that's how we're gonna like add account here, and you're gonna add an email and everything, and this is pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.